So here we are going to tour once more.
Yes, I love it. This is the entrance. Okay, nasa lista. Thank you. Enjoy.
Hi guys, welcome to our vlog.
Welcome.
Hi guys, bye. We just want to visit our,
Our-
Hi guys, so we're here today in Cebu Safari. This is sponsored by the birthday girl, no other than the one and only, not me. Okay guys, so this is our 5th time. So yeah, so we've been here before. So yeah, we've been here before, but there's no pool. Right now there is. Okay. So, say happy birthday, mommy.
Happy birthday, mommy.
Okay, mga binayaran.
Wala pa din sa papente. We're going to the bird show.
Sometimes it hits you when you least expect it. When it
Next one is a telephone ringing. Next one is a whistle. Now, Mr. James, I've heard that Lani and Rudy here love to sing. Is it true?
Yes, but before singing, you need to do what all singers do. They have a warm-up first.
Let's do the warm-up first. La 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 la. See how talented parrots are? They can mimic sounds so well because their brains are super smart, just like humans using their voices. So round of applause to our 2 unicorn Amazon parrots, our mimicking birds named Lani and Rudy, also to the mentor, Mr. James. Since we're already here in Brazil, let's meet Lani and Rudy's good friend, our most handsome, cute named Mr. Hoy. Some two lupins, they are largest and the best known toucan species around the world. Well, I guess we're all set and ready, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together to our snatching prey of light, our rounding eyes name, Shadow. But wait, there's more. Here comes our second rounding eye named Argus. And there's more. Here comes our third rolling eye named explore mammals, reptiles, and preserving nature. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife and for better future generations. And before we truly end up our show, I would like to introduce you the people behind the success of the show. My partner here on stage, Ms. Tabby. Also have here Ms. Rachel, Mr. James, Mr. Romang, and Mr. Charles. And yours truly, mine is DJ. And today is even more memorable. We present to you the symbol of love. Peace, prosperity, and harmony. Once again, mine is DJ. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the night. So if you want to take pictures of our photographer, just form a line here in the center. We have your official photographers that you do. If you want to use your phones, just avoid using flash. It's only for free. And if you want to witness our white metal tiger reading, just go up and do your right side, proceed to type.
Isa kadaghan nindot ka pangan sa bird. Anong? Ganun. Oo. Oh, a hunter. True.
Rio.
We're going to tiger.
We're going to a tiger cage and
Nakatubang ni mo, nakatubang.
nakatabang na ko.
Kita lang ka ng
Na-film na ko here. So we just finished watching the bird show and we're going to
Baligsan.
I don't know, that's a bird.
Are you sure though? Asan natin?
Saan sila dyan? Do.
Daw at here. Kabrini doon natin maon. Uy, dahil doon yung nakatikitiki premium.
And upside down, everybody's body's rocking.
Oh my God!
Yeah, we're like
Okay, this is mine and Jonalie.
we do it so naturally. Hey, can you feel that rhythm underneath your shoes? It's all about style and the way you move. We got the vibe on lock, yeah, we're ready to roll. Come on, show us what you got. Good to go.
Okay, the next one. Ala, please close the doors. We will open it again.
Yeah, we're good to go. Show us what you got. Good to go. Let's get it. 1, 2, what you gonna do? Do, 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 do. Left on to the next. Do, 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 do.
This is one.
Do it like that. Do, do, do. Hey, can you feel that rhythm underneath your shoes? It's all about style. Come on, show us what you got.
What can you say?
Well, we're good to go. Good to go. Come on. Good to go. Good to go. Well, we're good to go. Good to go.
Hala, murag ari jud ko nimo picturean. Fab, murag diri jud ko nimo picturean. Fab. Guys, look, it's so nice. And then look at here, my cousin Fabi and Faith. They're taking a photo. Yes, I like it here. So ang mga cuz dito na lang dito sa.
It's okay.
So guys, ang mga cuz ang sabi na lang dito yung giveaway. Yes, amo ata to master's bedroom. Oh, master's bedroom. Kita pa dyan naman kung pagkatoy-toy. Pagkatoy-toy. So, what can you say, guys? So, mauni siya ang Safari Manor. Oh? Ganun sana, guys. Makasanaol na lang dito, guys.
Lagi.
Makasanaol na lang dito.
Actually, visit na siya because we're kuan ni amo siyang palito ng asyenda.
Nagkuhan mo na ocular.
Yeah, we're visit. So, outfit check. Outfit check at ito. Outfit check.
Hey!
Okay, so this is the soon to be ours. Dali.
So, lagi na nag-own na ba yan ha? Sige, kagyaw-yaw. Okay, so we're gonna continue our room review. I guess sige, yaw-yaw si Maan. So, back again. So we're gonna continue. We're gonna continue our tour. So everyone's being chaotic right now.
Guys, come on! Let's have a tour, a quick tour.
Come on. Can you feel that rhythm underneath your shoes? It's all about style and the way you move. We got the vibe on lock, yeah, we're ready to roll. Come on, show us what you got, 'cause we're good to go. Right, left, on to the next. Front, back, yeah, we do it like that. Right side up and upside down. Everybody's body's
Other
Si Baby, asa man mo to?
Show us what you got.
Okay, okay. Butapad pa na siya nila ni...
Let's get it.
Niya, kaya may ko niya kaya 30.
Bye. Transition din pa anak din.
Bye! See you on our next vlog. Oh, charot.
Wala pa.
Bye! See you
Dinner
later!
pa.
Saman.
Mag-dinner pa man siya. See you in a bit.
Bye guys! See you in a bit!
Show us what you got, 'cause we're good to go.
Walang medalyon. We have if you go to Travels and Tours, they will handle everything, including the calling of the resort.
Sometimes it hits you when you least expect it. Sometimes it gets you, and it's so electric when it feels this good. When it feels this good. Some call a doctor, 'cause I'm catching something. Yeah, my body's shaking, 'cause this groove is rocking. But when it feels this good. When it feels this good, makes you wanna go. Makes you wanna go. Na 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 na. Put your hands together now. Everybody now. Put your hands together now. Sometimes it hits you when you least expect it. When it feels this good. 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 Makes you wanna go. Na 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 na
So it's the second day and we just woke up. So we are going to take a tour around the place. Let's go. And then basically this is the first room with its restroom. Room 3, 2 bedrooms and 1 restroom. In room number 2 they have their own bedroom and a restroom. So close the door. So we're going to take a walk around the outside. This is the couch, and then that is. So we're going now. So after my tour around here, we're going downstairs because we're going to feed the giraffes. So this is the area they have their campfire, and then that's another cabin. Our cabin is named after an animal. Each cabin is named after an animal. Ours is the lion, so rar. And this is the zebra cabin. So we're here, the pool. Amazing, right? So once again, it's still in the morning, so they're still cleaning it up. So this is the area. So the pool is really nice. So when you go there, you can like literally just take pictures when you're there. And then that's the dinner area. So we can also take like look at the area down here. So there we have the flowers in here beside the pool, and then that's the zip line, and then that's the big swing, and then yeah, this is the whole place.
I can fix. No, don't. So now.
Oh, okay. The dead rat. So over here, yes, and they're still cleaning things up. The surface clip, they're cleaning things up. So that, yes, doon sa campfire. The campfire is there. You can sit here. I have paparazzi behind me. And then we're going to go back to this. And we're back. That is all for today, and goodbye.
Giraffes.
Ay, kahanggaw ba yas now? Ay, kahanggaw ba ya?
Video hijau lah. Good morning, you all.
Pwede na, sir.
Sige.
Sometimes it hits you when you least expect.
Sa wilderness.
Sometimes it gets you, and it's all electric when it feels this good. When it feels this good. Some call a doctor, 'cause I'm catching something. Yeah, my body's shaking, 'cause this groove is right. When it feels this good. When it feels this good. Makes you wanna go. Makes you wanna go. Na 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 na. Put your hands together now. Everybody now. Put your hands together now. Sometimes it hits you when you least expect it. When it
So, bago pa naman ng free to giraffe, pinili ko pa sa naman. Pero naabot na mong breakfast, so amo tanaon sa ubos.
Kauna mi guys. Kauna. Wala yung
when it feels this good. Makes you wanna go. Na 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 na.
Amazing there, guys. Abot rin yung peacock. So, ang peacock, guys. Naman niya ang cool. Let's put our stuff in the house. Careful lang kung wala rin na mabasa wet. So, we just finished swimming sa pool. Forgot to, na-film din ako. And then this is the kitchen there. So, this is actually a really nice kitchen. There's giraffes and then those little eggs. And then, bana ang ako ang vlog for today. And yeah.
Sheesh! Hey, baby, so, unsa na taron, baby? Nag-check out na ta. Mag-tour na ta. We're waiting.
Mangita may isay. Dito sa mga cages. Sir, naabot lagi ka dito. Super ganda.
Juna!
Mau gali. Ada bitaw ko nga si Isay.
Nagdala ka ni. Hi guys. Bago pa man siya mata. Kasi niya wala pa na siya sa mood kay kakagising magbiro sa lasing wala sa panggising.
Hi guys! We're going back in. Here we go. Go inside. And
1, 2, what you gonna do? 3, 4, give me some more. 5, 6, just for kicks. Got a lot going down now up in this mix. Like nothing that you've ever seen. Yeah, we do it so nice.
Atin lang na tayo dito yun.
Can you feel that rhythm underneath your shoes? It's all my style.
Baby, okay ka na yung vlog.
I'ma show it to you.
Kami ko rin Ay, go. Hello. Ate, magkuyong makan. Papaando, dali mo nga line, oh. Saan mo?
Yeah, we're like nothing that you've ever seen. Yeah, we do it so naturally. Hey, can you feel that rhythm underneath your shoes? It's all about style and the way you move. We got the vibe on lock, and we're ready to roll. Come on.
Nabilin si Isay! Nabilin si Isay!
We are going to
Yeah, we're good to go. Show us what you got. Good to go.
aviary.
Let's get it. 1, 2, what you gonna do? Do 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 do. Right, left, on to the next. Do 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 do. Back here we do it like that. Do do do. Can you feel that rhythm underneath your shoes? It's all about style and the way you move. We got the fire on lock, and we're ready to roll. Come on, show us what you got, 'cause we're good to go. Do 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 do. Yeah, we're good to go. Do 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 do. Good to go. Do 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 do. Yeah, we're good to go. Do 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 do. Good to go.
Smile, smile. Unsa man na oy?
dramatic. Sa mananak. We have a right. The white lion.
Hi guys!
Yes, magbarog ang uban.
Grab bars and don't extend your fingers outside the back. And lastly, don't use back cover.
Camel. The flamingos. Lahi ko rin nga type of flamingo.
Di malumos ba kayo taas ng telo? Di mangungo ano sila sa
Manok naman na. Do not try to hold the birds. Nagablit si Kuya sa bird. Nagablit, oh. Hi. Katawa din, katawa.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting blind. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did
Bird
to
show.
me.
We're going to the bird show. Nag-ride namin sa mga
Didn't care that we weren't meant to be.
truck.
You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy. Where did you go?
ate.
Gahapon, maurag yapon niyang piston.
Saan sa ate?
Tapulan kayong bitin. Unya, unsa iyang position gapon? Position niya karon.
Wala pwede. Dapat na siya exercise para magka-muscle yung snake. So na yung snake na yung biceps.
Ha?
Sugot ka yung snake na yung biceps.
Nakakusgan ba?
I'm going down a trail to who knows where, but
We're trying to
yeah, so we're going to the base camp before going to the savannah kaya dili man sila pick up there. The base camp. Tanawag namin. Savannah. Mag-line na po me.
And this area is inhabited in southern parts of Africa. And the habitats where colors found in the wildlands and ghostlands. They are herbivorous which function Go away, si brother ilay. Tuwara.
11 ka na sa'yo, ba nasa holding area niya. And we have also here the water box, so large antelope that is reddish brown in color with white circular ring on its flanks. That ring is follow me sign. Their body emits an oily secretion which acts as a water repellent and defense mechanism towards predators since they have also a stinky smell. The older they get, the sting size, since they can jump up to 10 feet from a standing start and they can run up to 25 miles per hour. Both female and male have black spiral horn. And we have also here the gem smock or oryx gazelle, a large antelope with white black marking on its face and they have a long straight horn. They can survive months or up to a year without drinking water. They can get almost 30 from food like succulent and grasses. They are the logo of Qatar Airways and the national animals of Qatar. Gem smock, oryx gazelle, and if you know one of gazelle and Peppa Pig, both female and male have horns. Plus buck and we have also here the impala, a medium size of antelope that is brown in color with slim legs. Despite of their sexy legs, they are considered as fleet runners and fantastic jumpers of the savannah since they can run.
Great adventure. It's a great trip. Now second place I want to raise the crocodile farm. Croc farm ba farm?
Farm. Crocodile farm.
Sa din crocodile ni diri.
Asan crocodile?
Yeah. Oh, gado.
Balon.
Kimi yang di-cheer. Wala jud ni siyok ng balon.
Ay, picture di ba sa katong nay? Nay,
Donkey.
gamay nga donkey dili gani. Dito sakay ka na mo pamumik ko. Yeah, just
Mansa?
stand first.
Listen to our tour guide. Papaano doon saan eh?
Sorry, we are close.
You are close for Joy.
We are close. See you next time.
is going to be.
And thank you once again, Fem's Travel and Tours.